You can upgrade your headphones for just $35 with the HC1. Real quick note up front for this, I'm not a headphone amplification guru. I don't have $1,000, $2,000 headphone amplifiers to compare this to. My benchmark for headphone amps are ID22 and Apogee Duet 2. Both really good. I've never felt the need to upgrade those really. So just to give you an idea of what we're comparing. Also, I tried to do this video a while back. Well, I'm gonna try to do better this time and give it another shot. Okay, so I found my way to the HC1 while working on a project that I was doing a lot of backing vocals on, just using the same setup that the singer was using. And I realized for the first time that the headphone amp that I was using was really, really bad. Ashamed to say that I had been using this and things like this for years. For a lot of us, I think it's the type of utilitarian purchase. You get the cheap, ubiquitous 4-channel thing at the guitar store, you know what I mean? And I know this, that a lot of people are doing essentially what I was doing because I see these things everywhere. We need a headphone amp to give to performers when recording, and they're not really for us. I know for me, I didn't really evaluate it before then. So here we are, come to the realization I want to get a good headphone amp to give to my performer out there to inspire the best performance, right? That's a little background of my way to the HC1 that I'll share more details about later. But first, let's be honest, the most important thing is sound quality. That's what most people are going to be interested in. Let's get this out of the way. I think audio engineer, music producer types, as well as people just looking to elevate their listening experience, budget audiophile types, right? We're all going to be interested in what is the sound quality. We all already know that I'm going to say that it's way better than the crappy little headphone amplifier that I was using before. But what I did not bargain for is that it just edges out the ID22 and the Apogee Duet 2. It sounds just fuller, and I'm not talking about boosted low end. It's still very balanced, but it just sounds bigger, more punch, more clarity. You know, I'm not going to say it's a mind-blowing difference, but when I'm on headphones, I am always monitoring through the HC1 now. So that kind of tells you everything there. Better ability to drive other headphones and things. Hint, hint, video coming in the future. That one's going to be for the producers and engineers. So if all you're here for is the sound quality, there you have it. Now for the fun stuff. And what I'm really excited about is my design and my build. The HC1 does only come in kit form, and you have to put it in your own box, which seems really intimidating, but you know, it's really not difficult. It's very easy to implement. And what I love about it is that you can tailor it to exactly what your needs are. I'm typically putting it down at the feet of a singer. A flat box with front-facing knobs is just not a good design for what it's intended for. Why I think that's important is that it keeps your performer grounded and oriented and not having to think at all about the thing. I'd look for something that was top-facing, doesn't have a bunch of channels. If I need more channels, I want to put them on a separate box, and I just wanted something big, heavy, had some stature, and there's just nothing I could find. So I built it exactly the way I wanted it. The little details, the dial plates, the rubber feet, all just adds to the presence of the thing and makes it feel quality. I'm proud to give it to my performers. I could go on and on about that. I'm really stoked about it. If you were inspired by this to build your own, please share it with me. That would make my day. Or if you don't want to build it still and you need a builder, hit me up. But I encourage everybody to build. It's not hard and it's super rewarding. With that, make sure you like and subscribe. Check the link in the description. Peace.